Get ready. Start after 5 seconds. Start. Bonus was accepted by this government as a deferred wage, but the same government has reversed the conception of bonus, and this government says that bonus is a deferred wage, but it is connected with production and productivity, full stop. But what about the owners of industries, question mark? Do you know how much have they reduced the dearness allowance of the workers nowadays, question mark? Not only that, a number of companies have been held guilty for failure to deposit the provident fund money and also for mishandling the amount due to employees, full stop. Every year nearly 2 lakh employees come under the purview of the scheme, full stop. The total number of employees covered by the scheme in the year 1995-96 was 61 lakh, and it was 75 lakhs in the year 1996-97, whereas the average refunds amount to rupees 100-125 crores, full stop. The gross contribution to the fund was expected to reach rupees 58 crores in 1995-96 from rupees 51 in 1996-97, whereas the refunds to the employers on an average is rupees 10-20 crores, full stop. Naturally, such a situation calls for stringent regulation and control over the operation and administration of funds, full stop. If the administration of the provident fund scheme at various levels has to be really advantageous to the employees, there should naturally be regional offices which could directly deal with members of the fund who go in for advances, loans, etc. full stop. The present situation has offered an opportunity for the government to make necessary meaningful changes in a number of legislative measures which seek to protect and regulate the rights and working conditions of industrial workers and other employees, full stop. In fact, several clauses of the legislative measures have little relevance to the present day conditions, full stop. Regarding the Apprenticeship Act, once our Prime Minister said in the State Labour Ministers Conference that the Apprenticeship Act had not been implemented vigorously, full stop. It had not been given a trial, full stop. Utilization of apprenticeship opportunity or filing such vacancies has not been uniform in all the state, full stop. Creation of skilled manpower has logged behind the limits of possibilities, full stop. So the more important point is what is to be done. Even more important is that there is a new sense of urgency and a will to get things done, full stop. With regard to this, the basic problem relates neither to the number of apprentices nor to the value of their stipends, full stop. We hope that the government shall do its best to alleviate the feelings of labor and take steps for that, full stop.